Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting immediately. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run chkntfsc to see whether Windows will scan the drive. Once confirmed, type chkntfs/xc, which tells Windows to exclude that volume from the next automatic scan and repair. Do this now. It prevents the repair step at boot without changing system files. Make sure you're targeting the correct drive letter. Mistaking the drive risks skipping needed repairs on a failing volume. Next, to stop recurring scans, back up the registry and open Regedit. Navigate to hklm/system/current control, set /control/session manager, and inspect boot execute. The default entry is usually autocheck *****. To prevent forced repairs, either remove extra entries added by third-party tools or restore boot execute to the default line. Clearing it entirely can suppress ****, but only do this if you understand the risk. Once you save the change, close Regedit and reboot to test the behavior. Finalize by rebooting and watching the boot sequence. Confirm the scan and repair step no longer runs. If it still appears, repeat chkntfs/xc and recheck boot execute. If Windows becomes unstable or the drive reports errors, stop and repair intentionally. Boot into safe mode or Windows recovery, run chkdsk/f from the recovery command prompt or use system restore. Remember, disabling automatic repair avoids interruptions, but does not fix underlying disk problems. Repair if smart or errors indicate hard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.